sometimes it's fine to just survive through the day, It may not be the best day for you, but to think that you get to, you're trying to survive the day. That's still a win. Because you're trying to make it through. Maybe for some people, like for them, I'm not like enough in terms of like, being the best version of myself today. But for me, I know myself the most, and the things that I go through. So parang as of now, surviving is enough. So yeah. Oh yeah. If you feel like that's what you have to do, or that's all that you need to do to get through the day, to survive, or to do ABC, whatever that is, still validate yourself for that.
I hope, kasi kanina ang daming nagko-comment na stress, pagod, ganon. I hope everybody will get the rest that they need. Do whatever that you need to do. Not just want to do, but you need to do for the sake of your sanity, for the sake of your mental health, emotional, physical, spiritual self. Yes, do it. If kahit for you parang kahit it will not make sense for other people, basta as long as it's good, do it because you need it. If example para sa'yo, working out at 2 a.m. is like what works for you, then do it. I mean, it would not make sense for other people, but that's what I used to do sometimes, especially nung nasa kampa kami, I would work out 3 a.m. kasi hindi ako makatulog unless if, hindi ako makapag-workout. Ganun. Yeah. But it's what calmed me at that moment, so yeah. If it means that you have to eat a tub of ice cream, then do it. Are you hurting other people? No. If no, do it. As long as you're not hurting anybody, or and if you're not hurting yourself. So do it. You do you. Okay? All right.
Good night, guys. I hope before you end your day or your night, I hope everybody gets sleep without a heavy heart. You know why? Because if you sleep peacefully, then morning after, you're gonna wake up with peace and with a happy day. Because, I strongly believe na it matters a lot how you end your day. Even if they say na it's a brand new day, but wala, because like it's like a connection kasi. That's for me. But like, yeah. Good night, guys. Pray. Yun lang masasabi ko. Pray, but like, sa mga, siguro, if, sorry, baka, baka it's too vague, but like, yeah, that's it. Just pray. And, like, call it God. Good night.
And don't be so shy and just keep trying out new stuff. Because eventually you will. Dapat since yain na sa kan. Sorry na lang if hindi makasabot na lang. No, but I guess to the world, uy, ka-pressure ba? Beauty queen ba? I guess it's the it sounds cliche, but to keep going because it's a choice. For me, I think it's a choice, and that connects to your whys, and that's what I would always say. Whenever I want to keep going, I connect it with my whys. Why should I keep going? What's the reason?
why and why am I here? It's all for that. Yeah. Thank you.
There are really some things that you can control, and there are some things that you can control. So you really just have to focus on what you can control, on the energy that you can give and take. So yun po, may mga situations na kahit hindi nakakaya, pero wala, it's out of your control. So move forward na lang and focus on what you can do.
Yes, and dahil buhay ay di karera, life is really not a race, and what you're going through and what others are going through, it's not gonna be this. It's really not same. Hindi talaga same tayo lahat ng ng mga pinagdaanan, ng pace in life. Maybe like for some people, ganitong age, ito yung ginagawa nila. Ganitong age, ito din ginagawa nila. But okay. I mean, that's their life. Is that your life? No. You have your own life. And it's okay. It's fine. Right? It's fine. If like, for other people, like, for this person, ito na yung na-achieve niya. Example, let's say, may bahay na siya. Itong taong to, ganito ng age. Wala siyang bahay. Okay, it's fine. You set your own goals. That's what matters. Bakit? Sila ba yung nag-set ng goals for you? If may mga taong gano'n na parang nagsiset ng goals for you, I mean, is it their life or your life? Alam mo yun? Unless siguro like, example, you are in a relationship and then, you know, your partners have this goal for your relationship, then I think it's, depende din yan. Kasi those, when you're in a relationship, diba, you have to, it's not just one person, so it's two people involved. So that's when compromise takes place. So I guess pag mga ganon, kailangan pag-usapan. But like if you're trying to set a goal for yourself, trying to set a deadline, or not set a deadline, I mean, it's your life. Yeah, you do you. If for other people, their normal is having family, having a family, having a house, a car, or being able to travel, if that's their norm, then doesn't have to necessarily mean na ganun din yung normal para sa'yo. What if your normal is just, or I don't want to say just, but what if your normal is doing a corporate job, doing art for your entire life, you know, having to move to different places? Okay. Is there something wrong with it? No. Parang, don't let other people shame you for how you make the most of your life or how you use your life. Kasi, like yung iba na parang example, di ba may mga iba na, they live in a camper van or parang mga ganun, tapos they have no permanent address. Tapos yung iba na parang, oh my God, like, bakit ganun? Like, why can't you just get a house and then, get a proper house where you can really, really sleep well? Pero sa kanya, yung ganung klaseng lifestyle is, sobrang, yun pala yung nagpapasaya. It's their happiness, not yours, di ba? So, yun. Buhay ay di karera. Period.
I hope everyone will feel okay sa mga may man, may nafe-feel physically, mentally, emotionally, spiritually, in all aspects. I hope you will be okay. Thank you again, guys. Pray always. Ingat always.
Don't be scared to try new things. Don't be scared to try and learn stuff kahit wala kang experience, kahit wala kang knowledge, pero that's how you're gonna learn if you just try. Yes. Thank you.
And yeah, healing is not linear kasi akala nila parang oh, when you heal, it's point A to B. It's like staircase na parang from this you go up and up and up and then you reach the top. That's it. Pero no, sometimes you have to take 2 steps up, 1 step down. Sometimes it's not like that. It can be 1 step up, 2 steps down. So iba-iba talaga. And there's no right duration for how long you're gonna heal. Kasi iba-iba talaga tayo. Iba-iba din ng
Iba-iba ng process.
way of coping up.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like, and kasi, yun din napansin ko sa iba. Like, example, in terms of love, after breakup, di ba, parang they're so broken and they feel like the only way for them to heal is by seeking it from other person. So parang
maghahanap ka ng tao magko-comfort sa'yo.
Parang akala nila na ang makapagligtas sa kanila, makapag-fix sa wound nila is by having another person to fix it for them. But for me, I think kailangan talaga ikaw. You
lang
have to
talaga.
do it on your own. Yes, and kasi pain mo yun eh. You have to go through it. And you have to embrace the pain that you are bearing at that time. Kasi if you keep denying, it's always gonna be there. Hindi talaga siya
Hindi ka talaga
mafi-fix.
mahihil.
O para example, may wound ka, tapos hayaan mo lang. Hindi talaga siya ma-okay. Diba?
Gets, oo.
Our biggest learning is that you just really have to trust the process and don't rush because the right timing will go to you. And just like your song, life is not a race.
Real talk, some of you guys, I know your intention is to care about us and the growth of Winnie. Alam ko gusto niyo lang yung all the great things for us, like great styling, great promotion, great music, everything. And I get it. That's why like sometimes may mga mga iba na nag-rant na parang they deserve better. Ganun. I appreciate na you guys have a thought na, oh, we deserve better. But sometimes it gets too much na yung tipong may inaapakan na kayo. Na yung tipong example, gagawa kayo ng intentional na talaga siya na gagawa kayo ng something hateful towards a person or an agency or a management or group or something. Na parang, please stop. Don't be like that. Diba? Tipong example, gagawa ka ng art card na parang hateful siya. Please, wag naman. Kasi, and parang it's also that's also the thing with social media. Kasi, it's so easy to hide and put a mask behind all of the hateful Kasi, yun nga, social media, ang bilis mag-type, they don't know you personally, so parang, even if you get the hate because of that, parang, they don't know me in person, and it's just a fake account, ganun. Pero, imagine kung yan yung action mo na ganong hate na intention is nabalik sa'yo. Would you feel great deep inside? Kasi, like, I know, example, na, sino ba graphic artist sa ganito, gano'n. Tapos, I get it din na parang, maybe, okay, for you, sa taste nyo, hindi the best. Pero I hope be careful din tayo sa word na parang, dapat ma-fire siya. Yung mga gano'n, like, tanggalin niya sa trabaho, hindi niya deserve ang buhay. Oh.
Don't be too hard on yourself. Don't pressure yourself too much. And I pray that you guys will have all your worries washed away. That may you always have love inside of you, in your heart, because everybody deserves that. I hope you get to not only share love to others, but give yourself love because you deserve.
Keep doing you as long as wala kayong tinatapakang iba, then there's nothing wrong with it.
Hugs and prayers to everyone who need it the most right now. Laban lang.
Pahinga.
I hope it's 11/11. You believe it or not, but just make a simple wish.
And I hope you manifest it tomorrow, or if not tomorrow, as soon as possible. So, yeah. Let's all close our eyes and reach 11:11. Yeah, 11:11. Okay. Let's all make a wish and what's my 11:11 wish? Secret. I wish for everyone to have peace of mind and love, because love is such a best feeling that you could feel in this world, and everyone deserves nothing but love, love, love. So I love you guys. Thank you so much for tonight. Thank you for joining me sa live ko. Till next time. Good night. Good night, guys. Kiss, 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 kisses for everyone.